No, you need to stick it in something. They're falling over. Be careful. Oh my god, so they're falling over, for fuck's sake. Legit fucking falling over fireworks. Oh my god, I'm not even joking, guys. Yeah, this is the wind. The wind in the UK is legit just like, nah. Not having it, mate. Not having it. Fuck my life. Just come back to this, lol. Yeah, we're trying to like fireworks hide. Yay, that one looks a bit better if it goes off. Oh, we need to get a bit closer. Might bring you guys a bit closer. Yeah, my mate's over from Ireland, so